Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install Kotlin on Windows 11 operating system. Then after run this code. If I go into this command prompt, write there Kotlin C. So here you can get this Kotlin scene is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means Kotlin is not installed there. So first we need to download and install the Kotlin compiler. So here in Google search box write there Kotlin download. Then go on this Kotlin lang org site. Here you can see this all that's come there. So here we need to go on this get started. This is the latest version. Here you need to scroll down. Here you can see compilers and plugin. Then you need to click on this compiler, here command line compiler. Scroll down, then you can get the this file from GitHub site. Let's click this. So this here, now scroll down. So here you can get this all. So for Windows here, you need to download this zip file. So let's click on this. So here you can see the file is now downloading Kotlin compiler 2.320 zip file. Total size is 79 MB. Now you can also get this file for Linux operating system. This here Mac operating system and this pre-built Windows operating system. And if I scroll down, there you can get their Maven text or txt file is there. So this here you can see this done, almost done. Now the next is here. This is the download file. Simply we need to extract the file. So extracting at this location. So file extracted. Here you can see Kotlin C. And this here bin, this all file you can see Kotlin C is there. So what we need to do the next, let's copy this file. So copy this directory, opening the C drive and paste there. Thereafter you need to go on this bin and here copy this location. Thereafter open there, edit system environment variable path, edit. Now paste this one. Okay. Now if I write there command prompt, write this Kotlin C. So this time there is no any problem. This is processing. This you can get there. So no need to worry about this. But there is no any problem with related to external or internal command. Then here going to get the one directory. So writing there Kotlin here X. This is directory. Here I have the file hello.kt. If I right click, then add it in notepad. So this is the code inside there. This is the program to add two numbers. Okay. So the next is we need to do the compiling this code. So first let's copy this location. Opening the command prompt. So here we need to use this cd. So this change here you can see. Let's write there dir. This is the file hello.kt. Now the next is we need to compile. So for compiling we have this command. Kotlin C. So here, so file is hello.kt capital H is there. So there that will create the file hello.jar. So Kotlin C is to compile hello.kt file. After that, on this runtime, that will generate the file hello.jar. Now press enter. So compile successfully. Now if I write here, you can see new file hello.jar that's created there. Now we need to do the run. So for running, we need to use there Java, then minus jar and the file hello.jar. We need to give now here enter first number 8, 7, 15 that's the display. Okay, to print the hello world, simply you need to copy and let's go there. Hello.kt, add it in notepad, control S to save. Thereafter again same process we need to follow. First we need to compile, then this will refresh there hello.jar and now java jar hello world that's the display. So this is how we can do here installation of Kotlin. Then after run the Kotlin programs. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.